In this video, we will discuss an overview of profiles and profile views. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file Profile and Profile View Overview.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Civil 3D provides similar creation tools to creating profiles as you have for alignments. To create profiles, navigate to the Create Design panel, Profile dropdown, and here are the profile creation tools. Profiles are stored in the Prospector tab as children of the horizontal alignment, as of course they are linked to that in that you would want the existing grade elevations to update automatically if you moved your horizontal alignment. So let's have a discussion about profiles and profile views. Profiles are actually the grade lines for your design and surface profiles. So this is the existing grade line profile. This is the proposed design profile. The graph outside is the actual profile view. So each of these different object types have their own unique settings and styles, just like everything else in Civil 3D. If we navigate to the Settings tab, we have the Profile and Profile View categories. If you navigate to the Profile category, you'll see you have profile styles that actually define what layer and components should be displayed for each of the different types of profiles you may have in your drawing. And of course, we have design check sets for things that need to follow minimum K tables and so on, as well as the label styles for those different objects. Then we have profile views, and if we expand profile view styles, let's go ahead and double-click Major Grids. As you can see, with the profile view style, there are many tabs with many different settings that define exactly how this profile view should display, and of course in the Display tab, what should display and on what layer, color, line type, etc. Each of these settings has its own command settings, and if you want to change the default toggles, switches, settings, etc., in those commands, simply right-click and choose Edit Command Settings.